If you're seeing Epic Games error code 30005, don't worry, in this video I'm going to show you the fastest way to fix it step by step. This error is usually tied to EasyAntiCheat, and in many cases it happens because one of its files is missing, damaged, or stuck in the background. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to fully close the Epic Games launcher, remove the corrupted EasyAntiCheat file, and verify your game files so everything rebuilds properly. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes. Let's get right into it. First, you want to completely close the Epic Games launcher. Don't just minimize it, make sure it's fully shut down. To do that, look in the system tray in the bottom right corner of your screen. If you see the Epic Games icon there, right-click it and exit the launcher. This is important because if Epic is still running in the background, the file you need to fix might stay locked. Next, press Ctrl, Shift, and S together to open Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in compact mode, click More Details so you can see the full list of running processes. Now look through the list for anything named Epic Games Launcher, Epic Games, or EasyAntiCheat. If you find any of those tasks still running, select them one by one and click End Task. This clears out any leftover processes that could interfere with the repair. Now that Epic is fully closed, open Windows File Explorer. In the address bar at the top, go directly to this path. C Program Files, x86, EasyAntiCheat. This is the folder where EasyAntiCheat stores some of its important files. Once you're inside, look for a file named EasyAntiCheat.sys. If you see it, delete that file. This file can become corrupted, and removing it forces the launcher or the game to rebuild a clean version later. After deleting the file, go ahead and relaunch your game. In many cases, Epic and EasyAntiCheat will automatically regenerate a fresh, uncorrupted copy of the file when the game starts back up. If the error was caused by a bad file, this alone may already solve the problem. But we're not done yet, because the next step is very important. Open the Epic Games launcher again and go to your library. Find the game that is crashing, such as Fortnite, and click the three dots next to it. From the menu, choose Manage, then click Verify Files. This tells Epic to scan the game installation and repair anything that is missing or broken. Wait patiently until the progress bar reaches 100%. Depending on your system and game size, this may take a few minutes, but it's worth it because it replaces missing security files and helps restore the game to a healthy state. Once verification is complete, restart the game and check if error code 30005 is gone. In most cases, following these steps will fix the issue because you've cleared the background tasks, removed the corrupted EasyAntiCheat file, and forced Epic to repair the installation. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more gaming fixes, PC troubleshooting tips, and easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.